What's up, guys? I'm back with something very exciting. At least I'm excited to know that I just got my brand new 13-gallon VEVOR Stainless Steel with a Thumper. Fuck yeah. I'm psyched as shit. I really want to get this thing put together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to put it together so y'all see how I put it together. And then I probably will experiment a little bit by turning my old 8-gallon still into a Thumper.
It's gonna get in your mind.
So let's crack this box open. See what we got in here. Styrofoam. We got some directions with a couple of recipes in there. I might want to use that later. Dun dun dun. Woo-wee, pretty, pretty. I see some differences already. This is a different fitting from the 8-gallon. I have a hole right there, so that's probably for the thermometer. We're gonna open it up. Whew, I done broke a sweat. I'm so excited. Woo, pretty. Got the top. What is this? More styrofoam. More styrofoam. We got these same fittings. I don't like these. I'm gonna replace these with some copper ones I seen at the Home Depot. Definitely gonna replace these. What's this? More styrofoam. What's this? I'm guessing this is the Thumper. Oh yeah, this is the Thumper. It looked like better quality right here, but it's so small. I got a trick for that. Get out. More junk. What we got in here? Ooh, I done broke a sweat. We got an airlock. Oh, they gave some piping tape this time. Some piper's tape. They didn't get us last time. What's this? This how you connect the piping. It looks like a different size from the last one. We're going to compare this with my other one. And what is this? I might have to look at the directions, y'all. What is this? We have a nice little thermometer. And here's the condenser. Oh, wow, y'all. Oh, wow. I got to put the condenser together. Like in the 8-gallon, the condenser came put together. I got to put in some work. This is some BS. I thought I was going to take it out and be ready to go. Look how small this coil is. VEVOR, I feel like I just got robbed, y'all. Look at this. Wait till I compare this to the other one. This don't make no damn sense. This is so small. Now I'm going to have to make me another condenser. This is crazy. This little pot to condense the alcohol. This some bullshit. Really, like, how you go from a big 13-gallon pot to this little ass condenser? Like, it makes no sense, y'all, but we gonna make it work. And this little thumper, like, come on, VEVOR. Come on. Like, what is this? Not to say it don't work, but shit. Okay, this is what we had in the box. We had the 2 tubes and this little tube. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. You have the sump pump and the tubes for your condenser. You have a airlock and the gasket for the airlock. You have your thermometer, 2 metal pieces that you screw onto the ends, male and female ends, some washers, and your copper pieces, your copper coil. Now let's put the steel together. We're gonna start with the thermometer first. You take a washer and you put it on the thermometer right here. That way when you put it on the top, no steam will be able to release. You also gonna need this round washer and this copper bolt. Put that on the back. Like that. You take your pliers and you tighten it up. Okay, cool. Next, you're gonna take this and this. You're gonna screw this on this end right here. This is so your tube will fit where the steam will come through. And you take this and you set it right here. Of course, you tighten all of this stuff up with your pliers, but I'll tighten it up when I'm finished. Okay. Next, it's the condenser. You find this hole on your condenser and you take your coil. You pull it up and you slide it in. And then you need this copper piece. Oops, excuse me. This copper piece, you need to put the worm in this copper piece. You take it and you screw this on. And you take your pliers and you tighten it up tight, as well as those. You tighten those up too. Okay, that's that. Next, you take this little piece right here, it goes onto your worm, so you can extend your worm with the other copper piece, like this. So now your worm is good. The airlock, if you was using this for a fermentation vessel, you would take this off and you will put this rubber piece on the end of your airlock and you stick it in there. Now, if you don't know what an airlock is, the airlock is a device that you fill up halfway with water and it won't allow no air to get into your fermentation. Okay, next. We're going to set it up as in if we was about to run the still. We're going to do a mock setup. So I'm going to spin this around this way since it's facing that way. So now you take these and make sure you have this washer. Now it comes with 2 extra. When you take these orange caps off of it, you'll notice that they are already there. And you screw this on like this. And you screw this side on as well. And then you take the other one. And you screw that onto this side. And then you screw it onto your condenser. And there you go. You're still set up. Now, I don't like these. I'm going to go to Home Depot and buy some copper ones to put on there. And as you see, I didn't tighten this up all the way, so of course it's leaning in. But that's it. That's how you put your steel together. Now I'm going to compare this pot to my 8-gallon steel, and you will be surprised how the thumper and the condenser is the same size as it is in the 8-gallon steel. Crazy. VEVOR, step your game up. That makes no sense. Now here's the difference between my 13-gallon and my 8-gallon steel. It really don't look like it's a big difference, but it is a big difference. Now, I done ran a lot of liquor through this steel. This steel done kicked out a lot of product. And I plan on doing the same thing with this one right here. I already got 16 gallons of tequila mash ready to go. Once I get this clean, I'm going to let it rip, basically. But just like I was saying earlier about that thumper, the thumper sucks. It's so small. It's like, what can you really put in there? You really can't pack nothing in there. It's going to overflow and start puking out your worm. So I came up with the awesome idea of turning this into my thumper. Sounds great, don't it? I know it do. I'm definitely going to turn this into my thumper for this 13-gallon, and I'm going to make a 13-gallon, not a 13-gallon, but a 5-gallon condenser out of a 5-gallon bucket and some copper core. So I'm going to upgrade the system, but that'll be another video. And you'll have to tune in later to see that happen. And I'm going to show you right now how small the thumpers are compared to each other, this 8-gallon and the 13-gallon. Actually, the 8-gallon and the 13-gallon thumper and condenser is the same size. And I'm going to show you. Now, you can clearly see these thumpers is around the same size. If not the same size. Well, I'm noticing a little difference in the height of them. But they still look like the same size. There's no way for these to be this closely sized together when you got a 13-gallon and an 8-gallon steel. VEVOR, step your game up. There's no reason for these thumpers to be this size small. And the condensers, look at the condensers. Look how small they is. Not complaining that the product don't work, because the product do work, but come on, VEVOR, step your shit up. Look at this. It's small. And it overflowed. Well, at first, when I first started using it, I had a problem with the daggone condenser overflowing. I had to stand there and tweak it perfectly and stuff. I done used this thing so much that I done messed one of these up and had to rig it up. Well, shit. It ain't rigged no more, but who cares? I got a new one. And this don't work no more. It don't open nor close. So there's no reason for these to be around the same size, VEVOR. Step your shit up. There's no reason. I like your steels. They work, but come on. Do something better. It's a new year. Do some new things. And don't try to raise the price up if you step it up either. Keep the price somewhere in the mid-range so we can do what we do.
It's gonna get in your mind.